and gentlemen, welcome back to Souder Motors. Jay Lapp with you. Today, I have a treat for you. This is a 2016 Thor Chateau. It is a 35 SB. This is a beautiful Super C. It is sitting on a Ford F550 chassis. It's a diesel. It's got a huge wall slide. It's got a power awning, outdoor kitchen, all kinds of stuff. We are gonna open it up. Then we're gonna show you the outside. Then we're gonna show you the inside. So, let's get to it. Right, 2016 Thor Chateau 35 SB. It is opened up. We're going to start here underneath our beautiful power awning with our LED light strip. We've got outdoor entertainment. There's the 35 SB. We have a beautiful full body paint job on this guy. Got some good outdoor. That's a pass-through. Oh, it's got storage on top. More storage. And here's your pass-through. It's got our ladder for our bunk inside, which I will show you when we go inside. Flush-mounted windows. Great outdoor space here. Big power awning. As I mentioned, we are sitting on a Ford F550 Super Duty chassis. It's got a 6.7 liter diesel Power Stroke V8 engine. It's got great tread on our tires, the Alcoa wheels. Set it off nicely. Nice fiberglass cap in the front. Got our exhaust for our generator. Oh, we do have side cameras. There's one on the other side too. And then there's backup as well. Propane. Here's our generator. It is a 6,000 watt Cummins. Got just a little bit over 400 hours on it. Here's our very large wall slide. Got the slide topper on it. Whew. Just pretty. Again, tires are in excellent condition. There's our dumps. More storage. In the back, we've got roof access. We've got a backup camera. And we've got an outdoor kitchen. Isn't that fun? Sink, fridge, storage. Then down here we've got a quick connect for a grill. And then again, our outdoor living space here. This is a diesel. It does have 2 tanks. It is a diesel generator, so get all that going. And that is our exterior. Let's take you inside and show you what we got. Let's check out the interior. So here you go, right into the left, you've got your awning, got your disconnect, you've got your inverter. Up top here, we've got our control panel where we can tank heaters. So we've got 4-season camping. Let me get the glare off there. Water heaters, tank levels, Jenny hours. Charging station. Over here we've got our leveling system, auto level, nice to have. You've got a remote that'll turn on your generator. You can put your slide out, do your awning with that. Fun stuff. And here is our interior. This, again, 36 feet long, so we can sleep up to 10 people in this guy. There's a big bunk up here. This TV is on a nice bracket there. It'll obviously go in. But yeah, so we've got 2 up there. This sofa jack nice down, that's 2. Big booth dinette, that sleeps 2. We've got bunks, that'll be 2. King bed, that'll be 2. All kinds of fun stuff. Right now we do have the generator running. We've got the air conditioner on. We have got the vehicle on. So again, this is a 550. We have got 25,577 miles on this guy. It does have a brake controller in it. We've got an auxiliary fuel tank right there, so that's where you can go in between the 2. You can actually seat 3 here in the front. This middle console here comes up and you can seat 3, so that's nice while you're driving. This thing drives fantastic, just like driving a truck. Booth, obviously that goes down and you can sleep on it. Nice comfortable sofa. Kitchen, we have got countertop, extra little kick out here. Lots of counter space with the configuration here. Plus we've got some drawer space and above head storage. We've got our microwave. We've got our oven and stove combo. This is a dual sink, so 2 sinks. Retractable faucet. Nice setup there. Over here we've got our beautiful residential fridge freezer combo. Here's your safety latch, keeps it from opening while you're driving. Nice big fridge, nice big freezer. And then coming back into the hallway, we've got our thermostat for our front AC unit there. 2 bunks with the curtain privacy. Each have their own little TV there. Good for entertaining the kids. Got a walk-through bathroom here. So, nice space. Corner toilet. Got some storage above. Medicine cabinet. Some storage below the sink there. And then a nice big corner shower with our skylight. Let's step this way. It's a nice big shower. And this is our walk-through entrance to the master. Sliding doors to go on that side and this side for privacy. Got your own little entertainment center here. Second thermostat. Got a nice big comfy bed. King size. Little cubby holes on each side there for storage beside the bed. Big wardrobe section. Drawers, TV. Got a nice closet here. Since we're on a slide, it's nice and deep. Same with the drawers, very functional drawers. Metal runners. Good quality there. That's our master. Let's go out this way. And there you have it, folks. So just to recap, 2016 Thor Chateau 35 SB. If you folks have any questions about it, please give us a call at Souder Motors. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day.